Larson Electronics explosion-proof fan is a high-pressure, high-volume unit that can be used to support active ventilation in hazardous work locations. This robust industrial fan is capable of circulating air at a rate of 14,850 cubic feet per minute. This fan comes with 100 feet of 16.3 SOOW cable, making it suitable for use in demanding indoor and outdoor industrial environments due to its resistance of oil, abrasion, and moisture. This hazardous area unit features a non-sparking cast aluminum propeller with a 36-inch diameter. The fan offers compatibility with 115 and 230 volt at 60 Hz voltages. During operation, the unit emits 88 decibels from a distance of 10 feet, which is equivalent to the sound of busy city traffic. This unit is compatible with portable and stationary mounting preferences. The high stand model features a 360-degree tilt, which offers superior flexibility during setup. When it comes to explosion-proof ratings, the machine may be used in facilities that handle Class 1 Group D combustible substances as well as Class 2 Group F and G ignitable compounds. Under the hood, the machine is powered by a 1.5 horsepower fully enclosed explosion-proof motor. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.